Hi, I'm Zoe.
I'm Chelsey.
And I'm Edrich.
And this is our NeuroMaker hand project. For our project, we decided to bring back the quality of life for those who are unable to. Our hand works with a sensor and a piston. When the sensor senses movement from the hand, it will set off the piston, causing the hand to move up, catching a fish. But how does it really work?
That's a great question, Zoe. Chelsey and I will go more into depth next. So if our sensor detects any movement or is equal to true, then our piston will activate. However, if our sensor does not detect any movement, then our piston will remain deactivated.
3, 2, 1, go.
And our hand will remain at rest.
In the beginning, we had some struggles building the hand. When we first built it, the fingers didn't fully close, and to solve this, we tightened some of the strings and debugged our program. Another problem we had was putting our plans into reality. It was a little difficult to incorporate a sensor onto the hand to activate the piston. Coding the sensor and putting the piston together were also smaller issues that we had.
Our hand focuses on catching the Hawaiian fish called Oama.
Oama is a small fish that is mainly used for bait and is easy to catch. To catch Oama, all you need is a hand pole, a light fishing line, and a small hook. Once you find a spot, drop your bait to the bottom and watch for the fish to nibble. Once the pole moves from the fish, it will send a signal to the sensor and set off the piston. In summary, the aim of our challenge was to have a working hand that is able to hold a fishing pole, and can sense when a fish is tugging on the line. On the hand, there's a flex sensor attached to the fingertips. When the sensor is bent, it will send a message to the piston and tell it to activate. The piston then lifts the hand and pulls up the fish. We specifically chose to use the Oama fish for our project because it's small and uses minimal power to actually catch it. When normally fishing for Oama, however, you usually just flick your wrist up and down every couple of seconds because of how light the fish is. The season usually starts in mid-late June and ends sometime in September.
This is Chelsey Konno,
And this is Zoe Zane.
This is Edrich Rabanes,
And this was our NeuroMaker hand project.
and this was our NeuroMaker hand project.
Thank you for watching and your time.
Thank you for watching and thank you for your time.
Thank you for watching and for your time.